Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable automatic repair on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now we have two commands here and I will share these in the description section of this video. So copy the first command, the one with no at the end, to disable automatic repair. Now go to the elevated command prompt window and paste it, then hit enter and wait for this statement, the operation completed successfully. If it completed successfully, then automatic repair has been disabled. The second command, the one with the yes at the end, will enable automatic repair. So when you copy paste it here and hit enter and it reads the operation completed successfully, it means that automatic repair has been enabled. No to disable, yes to enable. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.